వెల్కమ్ టు మేక్ యూ అవుట్డోర్ ఛానల్. ఆగస్టు 9 నుండి 15 వరకు కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్. Who has launched India's first pocket Android POS device? Paytm. Which state government has launched the Mukhyamantri Kisan Sahay Yojana? Gujarat. Who wrote Connecting, Communicating, Changing book? Prakash Javadekar. Which state government has launched Indira Van Mitran Yojana? Chhattisgarh. When is the International Youth Day celebrated? August 12th. Who became the first country to register COVID-19 vaccine? Russia. Recently, the government has banned import how many defense items to promote a self-reliant India? 101. Which state has announced to create to its own board of education from the next session? Delhi. Who has successfully tested the Arrow 2 ballistic missile interceptor? Israel. Which country's cricketer Lara Marsh announced his retirement? England. Who has announced to organize Fit India Freedom Run? Ministry of Sports. Where will the price monitoring and resource unit be set up? Karnataka. Recently, under which scheme rankings of states have been released? Amrit Yojana. Who has been elected as the next chairman of SAIL? Soma Mondal. When is World Organ Day is celebrated? August 13th. Which state government has launched the Karma Sati Prakalpa Yojana? West Bengal. Which state government has recently increased the penalty on COVID-19 protocol violators? Odisha. Who has unveiled microwave device Atulya? Nitin Gadkari. Who has inaugurated the Swachh Bharat Mission Academy? Gajendra Singh Shekhawat. Who has recently launched a facility called Positive Pay? RBI. Which state's Moira banana has received GI tag recently? Goa. Which state government has launched YSR Cheyuta scheme? Andhra Pradesh. Who is the chairman of ICRIER? Pramod Basin. In which state has Patriots Day been celebrated recently? Manipur. In which country will the Kajaj 2020 exercise be held? Russia. Which state government has recently tied up with an American IT firm? Andhra Pradesh. Recently, which country has India extended the line of credit? Maldives. Where is the Malgudi Museum being started? Karnataka. Which IIT has developed indigenous seed fall? IIT Kanpur. Recently, KVIC has opened Silk Training Cum Production Center in which state? Arunachal Pradesh. Recently, how many freedom fighters have been honored by President Ramnath Kovind? 202. Which country has declared an environmental emergency? Mauritius. Recently, Flipkart has partnered with which state ODOP scheme? Uttar Pradesh. Where has been the inauguration of submarine cable connectivity? Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Who observed Cleanliness Week from August 10th? Indian Railways. Rudrendra Tandon has been appointed as India's ambassador to which country? Afghanistan. When is World Biofuel Day celebrated? August 10th. Who is present UPSC chairman? Pradeep Kumar Joshi. Recently, LIC has acquired 4.23% shares of which bank? Yes Bank. Where has the 400-bed COVID dedicated hospital inaugurated? Noida. Who wrote Making Sense of Indian Democracy book? Yogendra Yadav. With which IIT has NHAI recently signed? IIT Delhi. Who has topped the recently released Future Brand Index 2020? Apple. Where will India's first snow leopard conservation center be opened? Uttarakhand. Recent BCA has postponed sponsorship deal with which company? Vivo. Who has launched the MSME Saksham portal? SIDBI. Recently passed away, Mukundalata was a famous historian. Which organization has recently banned organs from Russia, China, North Korea due to cyber attacks? European Union. Recently RBI has announced to give loans up to what percentage of the value of gold to ranks? 90%. When is the International Day of the World's Indigenous People celebrated? 9th August. For more videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you.